you. I'm never boxing again.
Mom, get her. Mom.
Mom, beat her.
I already did.
She's a bad girl. She doesn't do chores.
Shut up.
That's for not cleaning your room. That's for not helping your room.
That's for taking advantage of me.
Alright, I'm ready for the next one.
I'll take her.